It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and my summer potting shed compost area. This is just a little quick video just to say why I'm doing this. I've always liked to grow some veg and have done for years, but I've never grown that much of it. And we had the opportunity last year of gaining a bit more ground, so it's freed up space for greenhouses, which we got and we put in, so I could have a bigger growing area and grow more crops. Hopefully a lot more food for us. But because of the uncertainty of the last few years and the food shortages and hiked up prices, really gone up, the prices have on most things, I thought, yes, it's going to cost quite a bit to start all this out, the cost of the greenhouses and the compost and everything. But once we've got it all, that's it, it's going to basically take over. And I'm going to have organic, fresh veg when I want it, or preserve it up to use over the winter. Although I'll be able to grow some things over the winter here. You'll be seeing that hopefully over the winter. But the less I can, the more I can grow, the less I need to rely on supermarkets. Excuse me. Yes, the more I can grow, the less I have to rely on supermarket veg. And some of it is quite poor quality, and it's not nowhere near as fresh as the footsteps it takes me to come out here, harvest something, and then cook it up in the kitchen. Also, the less produce I buy from the supermarket, it means that people who have not got the opportunity to grow things because they live in a flat, say, or they're a lot too old to get round and do much. They can do a bit, but they can't do a lot. So they rely on the supermarkets. So the less I'm taking from the supermarkets, the more choice I'm leaving for them. And so if there is shortages on things, I can even, to a certain extent, help my neighbours out with bits of things now and again. And in these uncertain times and really increased prices, if you've got the opportunity to do, I think you should grow as much as you can do. And I thought it was too good to be true, what Charles Dowding said about no dig, and the fact that there isn't much slug damage, and there aren't many weeds. But I've tried it out, and he was right. I haven't got that many weeds. I've got the ones that go down in taproot, and I've got bindweed coming through, and that will take me a couple of years to get rid of most of it. But it works. I'm spending more time with the plants and less time weeding them. which is amazing. But this is the reason why I'm doing it all. Also, I'm 60 next year. I have medical issues as it is. This is my last chance of doing a big mammoth thing that takes a lot of energy and causes me a lot of pain. Because in a few years' time, I possibly won't be able to do that. But because I'm doing it now, I will be able to carry it on in the future for a lot longer. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. But thank you. Bye.
It's a